Hey there, I'm Hugo Ferreira from TechCornerTV, and today is another mailbag day. As usual, we have here a pile of packages to open. Stay there and join us seeing what we have here. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified every time we have new videos. So right now, it's unbox time. Let's move this out of the way. Let's start with a small one. Okay. So those are caps for a 3D printer. The rods enters here, and we have two kinds. We have this one that is to be mounted on the vertical, and this one is to be mounted on horizontal. Again, I am doing some changes to one of my 3D printers, and I'm considering creating also a laser cutter. So those are parts for that project that I have. Well, I buy everything on eBay and AliExpress and other online services, especially now that we are on confinement. So yeah, it took a while, but it's here. It will be used on our project. Okay, so the next thing. Open this. Okay, we have here a storage box. Well, it's not a box. I bought this for storing the light equipment that we have. Okay, let's see if I can get this one to close. Yeah, it's working. No worries. So it has some space, and I think it will be useful for our newest projector storage or some battery storage, and when traveling. Just give me a moment, let me get one. Okay, so I bought this for storage of these projectors, these LED lights, but I think I will have to buy a bigger one because, yeah, it's too small for this. Well, we can always, yeah, I have two of them. The idea is to store both. I don't think it will be possible. Anyway, I will see this later. But still, it's hard. It's hard. It seems to have quality, really. I already have several of these bags, but since we are always receiving new equipment and new stuff, it's never too much to have storage like this. Okay, so let's move on. Take the bag out. I have a small one here. Let's see what's in it. Okay. Okay, so I will not open this one. Let me see if I can get... Yeah, I can open. This is a surprise. I hope my wife doesn't see it before I give this to her. So this is the first stand. I bought this as a present to my wife, so she can store here the glasses. Yeah, it's just a, well, being romantic, I think. This is quite nice. It's padded on the outside, and yeah, the inside it's also very soft for glasses storage. So yeah, let's see if I can get her not to see this opening until she receives this. But yeah, this is for her, not for me, not for the channel. Okay, so the next one we have here, it's quite heavy. Okay. A few days ago, a few weeks, we received another set like this. Those are our wires for electronic usage, and well, it doesn't say here, but I believe this one should be 20 AWG, and yeah, it's not marked, and yeah, it's the same. We have the wire. It's quite flexible. It's silicone based, I think. It says here, I believe. Yeah, silicone wire. PVC wire. I don't know which one I have. But yeah, it's quite flexible. I still doubt of the wire diameter. As usual, we have on the box a small hole that we can pass the wire, and it will be like a wire dispenser. So we can pull it instead of having all the wires around. So yeah, some more gadgets for our electronic channel and electronic projects. We'll have it like this, and we just need to pull the wire and cut it for the desired distance. Okay, so the wire is already done. We have a small one here. Normally they are modules with this size. And let's see what we have. Okay. We have here a ESP01 module. Right now, this seems only an adapter for this model. That is quite small. Yeah, it seems to be an adapter. This model doesn't have any information. Let's see if we can get here, zoom it. Yeah, okay, he grabbed. So I believe this is ESP. Right now, I don't know the exact model. And I think this is well, extend model for some project I have to do. Right now, I don't know for what I ordered this. I have really a lot of these modules, a box full of them. And every time I have an idea, I go there and grab some modules to the project. Right now, I cannot figure it out. What module is this? I will have to. I will not give. I will save this to see on the description using the tracking to see what the intended use of this. But some more stuff for our electronic channel and the electronic workbench. Just let me put it here. I will put it again inside because I have to find out what kind of module is this. Yeah, the descriptions are always totally nonsense. And we have your terminals. What kind of terminal? Let's see. That's why I buy so many storage cases. Okay. So what we have here are terminals to be crimped. I have several crimping tools that we put this on the wire. I have here a wire. Well, of course, we have to take out the plastic part, but we put this on the wire like this. And with the crimping tool, with the crimping tool, we close this and it will be stuck here. And it's much better for using on the terminals and everything that we need to have a wire there. So yeah, some terminal endings. I have ordered the brown, red, green. I don't know why I have two browns, one bigger and one smaller, orange, yellow, and blue. They are different sizes. Those seems to be at the same size. Yeah, only, and those two seems to be a little more smaller. I don't know why, but I will check this out. And if I have to complain, I will take this. And okay, so the next item. Oh, this should be some more boxes that comes handy, so I can store those endings. Yeah, I order a lot of this. In some previous reviews, I already received boxes like this. It's the modular model. Whoops. It doesn't seem to be okay. Yeah, this is broke. Okay. So yeah, you can see here. It's a pity. Yeah. So we have here the normal modular usage. We can take this part out and create bigger areas for storage. I will put this in here because the lock is not working anymore. And yeah, let's see another one. This one is working perfectly. So more storage box for more stuff. And the last one we have here, it says, I don't know, air conditioner parts. Really? Okay. It says air conditioner parts. Oh god. So this one, let me take it out. I believe this should be Arduino Mega 300, and let me see if we can see here. Yeah, I cannot see it right now. Probably you guys at home see better than me, but I think this should be Arduino Mega 328 or the 2560. I don't know right now. But as I mentioned before, I want to start working more with SMD. I already, in one of the previous mailbags, received an adapter from SMD to DIP, so we can test it, for example, on a breadboard. And right now, the microprocessors that I ordered arrived. Yeah, that's nice. And yeah, I can start making some videos for our electronic channel with this stuff. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't done already, please subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon so you can be notified every time we have new videos. And well, hope it was nice for you spending a little time with us, and hope to see you again in the next video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and stay safe. Cheers.